Animals. This is the part of third chapter of science textbook. And the topic for today's lesson is types of animals. Alright children, let's start our lesson by discussing the main features of animals. Animals are different in size. Some are big and some are small. Animals can move from one place to another. Animals breathe in air. Animals grow and reproduce. They can have their babies as well. Animals need food to live. There are different types of animals. Some are pet animals and some are farm animals. Let's discuss pet animals first. Animals which are kept at home. These are called pet animals. For example, dogs, cats, birds, and fish are pet animals. We care for our pets. These are very friendly and we also enjoy with them. Next are farm animals. Those animals which are kept at farms are farm animals. For example, sheep, goat, cow, chicken, rabbit, duck, and so many other animals. Farm animals give us variety of foods like milk, meat, and eggs. We make butter, cheese, yogurt, sweets, and ice cream from milk. Carrying on with types of animals, let's discuss water animals and wild animals. Water animals. Animals that live in water are called water animals. Some of the water animals are fish, dolphins, crabs, and turtles. Wild animals. Animals that live in the forest are called wild animals. These are very dangerous for us. These animals cannot be kept as pets. Examples of some wild animals are lion, tiger, zebra, and giraffe. Let's discuss birds and insects as well. Birds. Birds live on land or in trees. Most of the birds build their nests on the trees. Birds also live in the holes. Birds can fly from one place to another. Some birds like ducks and swans live in water or near water. Examples of other birds are sparrows, crows, pigeons, etc. Birds eat seeds, fruits, worms, and insects. Next are insects. Insects are found everywhere in the gardens, trees, and houses. They are also present in soil, in water, and in air as well. Most insects live in trees. Honeybees build beehives, ants build colonies in the soil. Some other examples of insects are mosquito, butterfly, ladybird, etc. Let's discuss importance of animals. How animals are important for us. Animals are important for us in so many ways. We get food from animals like cow, hen, sheep, goat. Animals like horse carry loads for us. We get wool from sheep and leather from the skin of tiger. So many things like bags, jackets, belts, shoes and purses are made from leather. We get honey from honeybees. Animals like dogs guard our houses. Now is the video time. Let's watch the relevant video, but don't forget to note down the main points and relate these with the discussions done so far. So let's start with the video.
There are many animals around us. These animals are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. The word animal includes a variety of living creatures. Who are they? Let's find out. Kinds of creatures. 1. Animals. All animals have 4 legs, 2 ears, and 1 tail. Some animals have horns. Some animals are big and huge, while some are small. 2. Birds. Birds are called winged creatures. They can fly. They have 2 wings, 2 legs, and 1 beak. Some birds fly very high, while some only hop on the ground. The eagle, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, peacock, duck, and hen are some of the birds. 3. Insects. Insects are very small creatures. All insects have 6 legs. They usually have 2 pairs of wings. The cockroach, housefly, bee, grasshopper, and butterfly are some of the insects. 4. Reptiles or crawling creatures. The reptiles crawl on the ground. Some have short legs while some have none. They are cold-blooded creatures. Snakes, worms, earthworms, lizards, chameleon, and crocodiles are some of the reptiles. 5. Water creatures. The fish lives in water. The fish has scales, fins, gills, and a tail. 6. Water and land creatures. Some creatures can live both in water and on land. Frogs, tortoise, and crabs are some of the creatures which can live in water as well as on land.
Hope the video was interesting and you enjoyed it. Let's discuss the written task for day 1. You need to complete activity 3.B, question 1 and 2 on page number 23 of textbook. Written task for day 2. Children, you need to complete question 1 of activity 3.C on page number 24 of science textbook. Written task for day 3. Answer the following questions in the notebook. A. What are pet animals? B. Name 2 animals that live in water. C. How do we get honey? Children, these questions are given in activity 3.C on page number 24 of textbook. Take help from textbook as well to find the answers and do these questions very neatly within the notebook. Coming towards the recap session of the lesson, the question is, complete the following sentences. A. Parrot is a dash animal. B. Farm animals give us dash. C. Wild animals live in dash. D. Dash live in nests. And last part E. Dash give us honey. Children, think very carefully to complete these sentences and match your answers later on. Coming up with the answers, starting from part A. Parrot is a pet animal. B. Farm animals give us food. C. Wild animals live in forest. D. Birds live in nests. And last part E. Honeybees give us honey. Hope you have done it correctly. Well done. Children, do all the given tasks very neatly, whether to be done in the textbook or in the notebook. And take good care of yourself.